Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pinoy Crew TV. Ayan, dalawang tulog na lang at coronation night na ng Miss Universe Philippines. So, today 20 and then tomorrow 21st at saka Wednesday ay 22 na at yan ay malalaman na natin kung sino talaga ang mananalo, kung si Alexi Brooks, si Atessa Manalo, o kung si Didi at kung sino-sino pa ang mga kandidata natin na pinapabura ng bawat isa. So, ngayon, papakinggan natin yung tatlong questions na sinagot ni Alexi Brooks kung ano ang iyong masasabi. Kasi dito, may maraming nagko-comment talaga sa ganitong questions para sa kanya. Kasi daw, paulit-ulit, kasi daw, paawa effect. So, kung sa inyo, kung siya ay nagpapawa effect, so nasa sa atin na yan, it's because sa kanyang naranasan at saka sa kanyang color. So, ang masasabi ko lang bago natin simulan yung pakinig sa questions at saka answers niya. So, para sa akin, kung sinasabi ng iba na siya ay paawa effect, well, gano'n naman talaga yun kasi nga sa Pilipinas tayo ay ang ibang tao ay ayaw sa itim na kulay. Kaya nga dito sa Asia, sa Asia, sa ASEAN, marami tayong makakitang mga whitening lotion, whitening shampoo, merong whitening shampoo ba sa buhok ni? Whitening, mga sunscreen, mga sunblock para sa mukha. Kasi nga, ang bawat isa ay gustong pumuti. Ayaw ng, may tao bang gustong itim? Ikaw, gusto mo ba na ang kulay mo ay itim? Di ba wala? At saka hindi lang sa Pilipinas, maski dito sa Thailand, ayaw ng itim. Kasi nga may mga normal akong estudyante na dito talaga sila, pure sila na Thai, pero yung kanilang skin ay dark. Naku, ang dami-dami, binubuli sila kasi yung may itim, yung ganito, ganyan. So, may mga nagsasabi na paulit-ulit daw, na hindi lang naman, lalong-lalo na yung mga Africans, yung mga hindi Pilipino na nagko-comment na sinasabi sa kanya na paawa effect nga daw si Alexi Brooks. So, pakinggan muna natin yung questions at saka answers at magbabasa tayo ng mga comments ng mga tao kung talaga bang mahal siya ng madlang people. So, ito, simulan na natin ang pakikinig.
Good morning, Alexi.
Good morning.
So you mentioned that for most of your life, you have been running away from so many things. Having experienced a totally different type of competition in Miss Universe Philippines, what or where do you see yourself running towards?
Well, it is true that I've been running away my whole life from the people who bullied me. I was someone who constantly get bullied because of my skin. I didn't have no family growing up, and we were so poor that I remember those days that I barely had money to eat or had a lunch to eat in school until I realized that instead of me running away from my bullies, I should chase after a dream. And then I realized one time that I opened a TV and I saw Miss Venusra and she showed the representation. And after that specific moment, I realized that I want to join Miss Universe. So that's what I think is I'm running after too.
Now, you have a lot of fans in every place that Miss Universe Philippines visited, and they love you. Now, how does the Alexi that was bullied in the past feel about all of this admiration, and how are you coping with it?
I think the little Alexi will be really, really proud. I mean, knowing that the people of my skin before were someone who's often really get bullied and harassed, physically abused, and right now we are being celebrated and represented. So the Alexi right now is doing the very best that she can to represent not only the little Alexi that I was, but every little Alexi out there that had a dream and wants to represent everyone.
In what way is training for heptathlon and Miss Universe Philippines similar and different?
Well, people would always tell me that sports and pageantry is so different. But for me, it's the same because of my way or my technique. I had the same preparation. Heptathlon is 7 sports or 7 track events. It's high jump, long jump, hurdles, 200 meters, and I can go on. But I think what makes it the same is just like Miss Universe, we have swimsuit, we have Q&A, we have gown, and it's just a matter of your technique and how to balance it. It both needs discipline, perseverance, and dedication.
And lastly, Alexi, why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I should be the next Miss Universe Philippines because I believe that I'm the best representation of our country. I was tagged as the people's queen, and I think that itself is enough for me to win the crown. Knowing that I have my whole people, my country, waiting for me to win the crown, I'm really willing to give more, to offer more, because Alexi is someone that would never bring anyone down. And as an athlete that have done many good things in the country, I'll show you that I can bring so much more. Like, I would let our country down. And regardless of the beauty or the color or anything, we Filipinos are one. We're diverse and we're beautiful.
Okay, so yun nga, napakinggan nyo yung interview niya. So, the way siya sumagot at saka yung 3 questions na kanyang tinakol na kanyang sinagot. So, ayan, basahin natin ang mga comments ng ating mga kababayan at pati hindi kababayan. So, ito dito sabi ni GC Man, sabi niya, puro bullied, poor skin color, paawa kasi siya. Cha-cha-cha. So, nasa sa inyo na yan, kayo na nanonood sa aking reaction, kung talagang nagpapawa siya. So, syempre, sinishare lang naman niya kasi experience niya yun eh. Hindi naman natin masasabi kasi wala tayong skin na kagaya sa kanya. So, basta para sa akin, kahit nga yung dito, ako ay isang teacher at saka may mga estudyante ako na merong dark skin, meron ding brown at meron ding mga lighter skin. So, yung mga dark skin ay talagang nabubuli sila. Lalo na last week na ipina-introduce ko sila at merong mga 3 or 4 na may mga dark skin, talagang pinagtatawanan at sinasabi ko sa kanila na no, because it's not good, because that's how God gave them that skin, and that skin is beautiful. So yung kanyang experience niya yun eh. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin ang nararamdaman ng isang tao na merong lighter skin, na merong maputing skin, maputing balat. Kasi nga, para sa akin, nakikita ko na halos lahat ng babae ay gustong pumuti. Kaya nga, gumagastos na pambili ng whitening sabon, bumibili ng sunscreen, bumibili tayo ng kahit na ano-ano, nagpapaderma tayo kasi nga gusto nating pumuti. Walang gustong umitim. So, based sa kanyang sagot, yung kanyang sagot ay sa kanya. Sinagot lang niya kung ano yung tanong base sa kanyang experience, base sa kanyang sarili. Alangan naman niyang sagutin yung tungkol kay Atisa, na si Atisa ay maputi. Bakit naman niya sasagutin yung tungkol sa iba dyan? O sabi dito, trying so hard to be Zuzibini. Wala din tayong pakialam dahil kung kinokopya man yun niya si Zuzibini, nasa sa kanya yan. Anyway, magkakulay naman sila. Dito sabi, I wish those in the comment section will be honest because she doesn't seem authentic in this interview. The skin color thing is just overrated. Overrated for me, so sorry. Sabi dito naman, I don't hate Alexis, she's a good one, but I'm not part of the people's queen. Hindi naman lahat. I'm for AB, but still good luck to all of them. No hate, no bash. Dito naman. So sad to say so many dark skin people comment negatively here. Ito, especially not Filipino. Alexi Brooks just answer the questions based on her experience. Yun na nga sinasabi ko, base sa kanyang experience. Hindi naman siya pwedeng magsabi sa experience mo dahil hindi niya alam kung anong nangyari sa'yo. Kasi nga, totoo naman, kahit mayaman pa, basta maitim, talagang ayaw niyo nga tumabi, ayaw niyo makipag-usap kasi nga itim, diba? Pinagtatawanan sa atin. People commenting here about her repetitive skin color talk is a bit funny because you guys don't know what it feels like to be bullied by skin color growing up. She speaks about it because it is something that has put scars on her heart. I'm pretty sure if you were in her shoes during that interview, you wouldn't be able to give an accurate answer. People nowadays, easy to comment but never to comprehend. Kaya nga, yun ang problema. Kunyari, proud sila, si Alexi Brooks lang naman yung proud sa kanyang skin. Diba? Sa mga movies, sa mga comedy bars, or sa mga comedy, diba yung kanilang laging ginagawang katatawanan, diba yung may mga dark skin, tapos ganyan kayo. Ano ko yun dyan? Very natural her answer, and she's really a model to follow. Is an example of life. She is the best. She should be not only Miss Universe Philippines, but Miss Universe. Go Alexi from Colombia. We love you. Maganda pa tong taga Colombia kahit sila yung puti. Ay, meron ding dark sa kanila. Hindi naman lahat. Ito, last na lang na babasahin natin yung comment. I haven't seen or heard any other interviews. If there is, I think everyone are welcome to this pageant, Miss Universe. And as I saw, she is capable to join. Let's see in the final. We, as Filipinos, need to support our kapwa instead of putting her down. Let's lift her up. Paano naman kasi? Hindi lang naman siya ang kandidata. Maraming kandidata. Di syempre, gusto nila doon sa mga mapuputi. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.